Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Great North Gardener. Today we're talking about flowers that don't mind if your soil isn't the best. Whether your soil is hard as rock or dries out super fast, we've got you covered. You can still have a garden full of beautiful flowers. So, if you're ready to make your garden amazing, stick with me. I'm going to show you 5 flowers that love tough soil. Get ready to write these down, gardeners. First up, the always happy marigold. These bright and cheerful flowers are a favorite among gardeners for their vibrant colors and easy care. These flowers are super tough and can handle almost anything, even bad soil. Whether it's rocky or dry, marigolds thrive where other plants might struggle. Plus, they keep bugs away. Their natural scent acts as a repellent, making them a great companion plant for your vegetable garden. Imagine a flower that grows great in tough soil and keeps bugs away too. It's like having a natural pest control system right in your garden. Marigolds come in lots of colors, bright yellow, orange, and even a mix of both. These colors can brighten up any garden space, making it look lively and inviting. It's like a rainbow in your garden. The variety of colors can complement other plants and flowers, creating a beautiful and harmonious garden landscape. They're easy to grow from seed. Even if you're new to gardening, you'll find that marigolds are very forgiving and straightforward to cultivate. Just sprinkle the seeds in your garden after the last frost and watch them grow. They don't require much attention, just a bit of water and sunlight. Remove the old flowers to get even more new flowers. This simple task, known as deadheading, encourages the plant to produce more blooms. So, whether you're a gardening expert or just starting, marigolds are perfect for adding color and keeping bugs away. Their resilience and beauty make them a must-have in any garden. Next are zinnias. These vibrant flowers are a true spectacle in any garden. These beauties love to show off. With their bold and bright colors, they can transform any dull space into a lively paradise. If you want lots of color in your garden, zinnias are the way to go. They're perfect for creating a vibrant and cheerful atmosphere. They're happy to grow in all kinds of soil, even the not-so-great kind. Whether your garden soil is rich or poor, zinnias will thrive. Zinnias come in bright reds, which can add a fiery touch to your garden. Yellows, which bring a sunny and cheerful vibe, pinks that add a soft and romantic feel, and purples that give a royal touch, and every color in between. You can find zinnias in almost every shade imaginable, making them incredibly versatile for any garden design. And the shapes? All kinds. From single to double blooms, and even cactus-flowered varieties, zinnias offer a delightful array of forms. Just plant the seeds right in your garden after the last frost, and watch them grow super fast. They germinate quickly and start blooming in no time. They're easy to take care of. Just make sure they get lots of sun and water. Zinnias are low maintenance and perfect for both novice and experienced gardeners. With their amazing colors and easy care, zinnias will make you smile every time you see your garden. They are a joy to grow and a feast for the eyes. Chapter 3. Cosmos, the effortlessly elegant beauties. These flowers are simply beautiful. Their delicate daisy-like flowers move in the wind, making any garden look magical. Cosmos attract good bugs like ladybugs and lacewings, which help keep the bad bugs away. By planting cosmos, you're making your garden beautiful and helping good bugs too. They're happy in poor soil and don't even mind if it gets a little dry. So if you want a flower that's both beautiful and easy to grow, cosmos is the one. Chapter 4. Black-eyed Susans, the Cheerful Wildcards. These flowers are not just beautiful, but they are also incredibly resilient. Let's dive into what makes them so special. These flowers are tough and cheerful with their bright yellow petals and dark centers. Bad soil? No problem. Black-eyed Susans can thrive in poor soil conditions where other plants might struggle. Their ability to adapt makes them a favorite among gardeners. Dry weather? They love it. These flowers are drought-tolerant and can withstand long periods without water. This makes them perfect for regions that experience dry spells or for gardeners who might forget to water their plants regularly. They're like superheroes, always coming back strong. Even after facing harsh conditions, black-eyed Susans have a remarkable ability to bounce back and continue to thrive. Their resilience is truly inspiring. They'll bloom all summer and into fall, giving your garden lots of color for a long time. Their long blooming season ensures that your garden remains vibrant and lively for months. Plus, they attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, adding even more life to your garden. You can plant the seeds right in the garden after the last frost, or start them inside a little earlier. Starting them indoors can give you a head start on the growing season, ensuring that you have beautiful blooms even sooner. So if you want a flower that's both cheerful and tough, the Black-Eyed Susan is perfect. Their bright, sunny appearance combined with their hardiness makes them an excellent choice for any garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, these flowers are sure to bring joy and color to your outdoor space. Chapter 5. Coneflowers, the Pollinator Magnets. These flowers are like kings and queens of the garden, standing tall with their big daisy-like flowers and cone-shaped centers. Coneflowers are tough and strong. They don't mind bad soil or dry weather. These beauties are also great for attracting bees and butterflies, which help your other plants grow. Coneflowers come in lots of colors: pinks, purples, oranges, yellows, reds, and whites. Give them a sunny spot in your garden and water them regularly, and they'll bloom beautifully every year. So there you have it, 5 amazing flowers that love tough soil. Remember, even if your soil isn't perfect, you can still have a beautiful garden. With a little care and the right plants, anything is possible. Which of these flowers are you excited to try? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to The Great North Gardener for more gardening tips and ideas. Until next time, happy gardening.